Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel WebGR of Talents. And in today's video, we are gonna look at a very important question of class 9 from the subject physics, and it would be from the chapter motion. So we have been dealing with the chapter motion from 2 to 3 previous videos. So if you hadn't watched them, don't at all get worried. The links are in the description. Watch it right now so that you will get more knowledge of the chapter and you will be able to understand the further questions very easily. So now let's look at the question that we have. So here is our question. A Lamborghini car traveling at 22.4 meter per second skids to a stop in 2.55 seconds. Determine the skidding distance of the car. Assume uniform acceleration. So, do you guys know that my favorite car is Lamborghini and I like the orange color? And comment me below what is your favorite car right now. So, let's try to solve this problem. So, let's solve this problem as usually how we do the previous problems. So, what was the first step that we learned to do in such type of physics questions? If you remember it, the first thing that we have to do is to write the details that we have been known from the question. So, we have to write it as given and start writing the information what was given to us. So let's first check what are all information that is given to us. So first of all, we should look at the initial velocity. So here we have been given the initial velocity. If you look carefully, it is 22.4 meter per second because they said that the Lamborghini car was traveling already at 22.4 meter per second. So the initial velocity or u, we represent the initial velocity as u, right? So initial velocity u 22.4 meter per second. Now here we also know what is the final velocity. The final velocity would of course be 0 because of course when the car skids the car should stop. So the final velocity will be represented as v, right? So v is equal to 0. And if you look carefully, we have one more thing hidden in this question. So what is it? It is nothing but the time that has been given to us. It is 2.55 seconds. So small t is equal to 2.55 seconds. So this is the time that we have given from the question. So in this chapter motion, basically we will be asked mostly about the questions which are related to the equations of motion. So let's recall the equations of motion. So do you guys remember the equations of motion? So if you hadn't remembered it, don't worry, we'll recall it now. So what is the first equation of motion? The first equation of motion that we have is equal to v is equal to u plus at. So this is the first equation of motion. And the second equation of motion that we have is s is equal to ut plus half at square. So this is our second equation of motion. And we have the last equation, that is third equation of motion, which is v square minus u square is equal to 2as. So basically these are the three equations of motion. So now let's try to use any of the equation that we have here to use it in our question. So I think we are done here. We looked at the first part of the problem in this video, and we look at the next part of this problem in the next video of WebGR of Talents. So please do like, share and subscribe to my channel WebGR of Talent. And after subscribing the channel, please hit on the bell icon so that you'll be able to get all of my notifications and you won't miss any of my latest video. I hope you have liked the video and have a great day.